For manufacturing businesses, efficiency on the shop floor can make or break their margins. This becomes especially challenging for small to mid-sized manufacturers managing production with spreadsheets, paper orders, or disjointed systems, which often lead to missed deadlines, costly errors, and wasted materials. In this blog, we'll discuss how SAP Business One provides a unified ERP platform that integrates production with inventory, purchasing, sales, and finance. The solution offers real-time visibility and control over your entire production process, helping you manage resources, costs, and schedules more effectively. Firstly, production management challenges. Small and mid-sized manufacturers frequently face common challenges such as uncertainty over material availability before starting production, reliance on spreadsheets and manual work order tracking, difficulty accurately tracking labor and machine time, discovering cost overruns only after production is complete, and repetitive data entry across multiple disconnected systems. These problems arise from broken workflows and a lack of real-time information. This makes it hard to plan ahead or respond quickly to changes on the shop floor. SAP Business One addresses these problems by centralizing production management in a single system, providing clear, up-to-date information at every stage of the process. Secondly, smarter production management planning tools. SAP Business One's production module allows businesses to precisely define product components and manage versions, generate production orders directly from sales orders or forecasts based on available resources and capacity, use material requirements planning (MRP) for demand forecasting before scheduling production, plan production activities based on actual shop floor workload. This level of planning visibility helps avoid costly surprises, such as running out of essential components mid-production. Thirdly, control costs and margins with precision. Accurate cost tracking is vital for profitability, especially when production runs span multiple days or batches. SAP Business One enables you to record actual labor and machine time spent on each job with an electronic interface for shop floor workers. The tool allows workers to input real-time data on tasks, materials used, and time spent on production orders. Compare planned versus actual material consumption. Monitor cost variances automatically as production progresses. By highlighting inefficiencies early, you can take corrective action before they impact your bottom line. Fourthly, real-time shop floor data capture. SAP Business One supports real-time updates from the shop floor via simple interfaces or integrated add-ons. This allows you to track work in progress continuously and embed quality control stages, capture material shortages or completion statuses immediately, identify which jobs are on schedule and which require attention, make informed, timely decisions about resource allocation and priorities. This live insight reduces guesswork and helps production managers maintain smooth operations and meet delivery commitments. The fifth area we would like to highlight is integrated operations across your business. One of SAP Business One's biggest advantages is its seamless integration across production, inventory, sales, purchasing, and finance. Sales orders automatically trigger production orders. MRP data suggests purchase orders or internal production when stock levels fall. Accurate production cost data in financial reports. Finished goods are instantly reflected in inventory, ready for shipping or invoicing. This interconnected approach eliminates duplicate data entry, reduces errors, and improves collaboration throughout your organization. And lastly, scalable, flexible, and built to grow. Whether you manufacture a handful of products or hundreds, SAP Business One scales with your business. It supports multiple manufacturing modes, including discrete and process manufacturing. For more complex needs, certified add-ons provide enhanced capabilities for advanced manufacturing and warehouse management. This flexibility ensures the system adapts as your production processes evolve. These are just some of the ways that Lake and SAP Business One can help your business. To learn more, visit the Lake website and download a copy of our beginner's guide for manufacturing or take a virtual tour.